In the last class, we have discussed how to locate the moment of inertia of a circle. Now, in this case, we are trying for semicircle. I have made it simple because again we have to start with considering elementary strip, but as per the marks allotted in the examination, we are supposed to solve. If it is asked in the examination for more than 8 marks, we have to start with this elementary strip where we are in a circle. We have taken the limit is 0 to 2 pi. For a semicircle, it will be 0 to pi. Okay, the same step. Okay, we have to follow the same step as we have done for circle, except the limit of integration 0 to r remains same, and z in place of 0 to 2 pi we have to substitute 0 to pi. Okay, we end with this answer. If we follow that step, pi r raised to 4 by 8 we will get. And now look at here. Now what I have done is I have made use of the moment of inertia of a circle is about x-axis, diametrical axis is pi r raised to 4 by 4. This is we know. If I want to write moment of inertia of this for a semicircle about diametrical axis, means I'm talking about a base. In this case, now I will be having x-axis, I will be having y axis. This is y axis, and this is a base. So here in a case of circle we are not having any base, so we have ix and iy. But in for semicircle we will be having three moment of inertia. About ab is separate, about ix is separate, and iy is separate. Okay, this three we have to calculate. As we have done for a triangle, first we have calculated about base, then we applied parallel axis theorem and found about centroidal axis. The same approach we will do here. Now with the help of this moment of inertia of a circle, if you divide this pi r raised to 4 by 4 divided by 2, we'll get moment of inertia of semicircle about base, which is pi r raised to 4 divided by 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, I just got the moment of inertia about this base. Okay, with the help of this, let us try to calculate moment of inertia about x-axis. Now what I've done is, from the parallel axis theorem, the formula we have is moment of inertia about base is equal to moment of centroidal axis plus AD square, or this Ig can be written as Ixx plus AD square. Now I want Ixx, so what I done is I have taken this term to left hand side. So IAB minus AD square is equal to Ixx. So now Ixx is equal to, I can write IAB minus AD square. Just I have rearranged. Okay, we know the formula for IAB, moment about base, is pi r raised to 4 divided by 8, that I have substituted here, minus area of a semicircle, that is pi r square divided by 2. Pi r square is for a circle. If I divide it by 2, I will get for semicircle. Into this d is the distance between two parallel axes. Here the parallel axes are xx and ab. The distance between these two is this distance. This distance from the base about the centroid is 4r by 3 pi. Okay, that I have substituted here. In place of d, 4r by 3 pi, which is whole square. Now look at here. Ixx is equal to pi r raised to 4 divided by 8 minus this pi r square by 2 remains as it is, into, now it is whole square, so 4 square is 16 into r square divided by 3 square is 9 into pi square. Now look at here, this pi and this square get cancelled, pi is remaining. Now 2 8 is 16, so 8 by 9 pi. So pi r raised to 4 divided by 8 minus 8 r raised to 4 r square, this r square is r raised to 4 divided by 9 pi. Now you just make it over calc, and pi divided by 8 is something is 0.3927, I guess, raised to r raised to 4, and 8 by 9 pi is minus 0.2829. If you subtract, you will get Ixx is equal to 0.11 r raised to 4, that is Ixx. Now Iyy will not remain same. This Iyy will be equal to that of IAB, that is pi r raised to 4 divided by 8. For a semicircle, Ixx and Iyy, sorry, Iyy and IAB is pi r raised to 4 divided by 8, whereas only Ixx is 0.11 r raised to 4. Please keep in your mind this